Please welcome Hui Cai, Program Chair, Vice President and Head of Content, WuXi AppTec, to kick off the online event.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. It's my pleasure to welcome you to the 9th episode of the WuXi AppTec Rare Disease Webinar Series, Collaborations that Transform. Today, we focus on ALS and Neuromuscular Disorders in honor of the World ALS MND Awareness Day. Neuromuscular disorders primarily affect the nerves that control voluntary muscles. These disorders result in muscle weakness and fatigue that progress over time. Most patients eventually lose the ability to walk, to dress, to speak, to swallow, and to breathe. Among the numerous neuromuscular disorders, ALS is perhaps the most recognized one, thanks to the Ice Bucket Challenge. Millions of families are suffering from these devastating rare diseases. Unfortunately, there is still no cure. Today, more than 20 distinguished speakers from global patient groups, top medical institutions, and the healthcare industry will join together for this global online event. We will center discussions on scientific insights, new approaches, and new technologies that would enable us to move the needle on ALS and neuromuscular disorders so that we can bring better medicines faster to patients. Together, we hope to raise awareness about these devastating rare diseases, to inspire new thinking that can advance scientific breakthroughs, to strengthen the global collaborations among us, and to empower people affected by ALS and neuromuscular disorders. Thank you for joining us today. Let's tune in now.